Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Presentation number 4 of sensorial activities. Here in front of you, you can see cylinder blocks. The cylinder blocks. Sometimes these blocks can be 4 or 6, and actually to create and develop visual sense, you have many type of cylinder blocks. In front of us, there are knobbed cylinder blocks. The cylinders have knob on it, and in these 3 different cylinder blocks, you can find the cylinders in thick to thin, big to small, thinnest to thickest, large to short. When a child has to handle these knobs, the exercise of pencil gripping is being developed. With the help of 3 fingers, we let child do this activity. Not all the cylinder blocks can be given at a time, just one, but just one. I am repeating this, just one at a time, just to show the vision of big to small, or just to show the thinnest to thickest. In these type of cylindrical blocks, we can find shallow and deep as well. The shallow coming up, the deep going down. So, all the concepts of language, mathematical skills and the shapes and dimensions are being given through this cylindrical block activity. When you are presenting these blocks to the child has to keep them from the shelf, on the mat, or might be on table, but need to take out all the cylinders from the block. Let us present you one. The child is taking out, and according to nature, he will be willing to keep them out quickly. But when a directress is going to show him one by one, smoothly, softly, that will give him an idea of work in a proper manner. So, when he has to start this, that should be from the right hand side or from the left hand side, not from the middle. But we cannot simply keep or lock a child in some particular manners to just do the work what is being given. Sometimes we let a child do by his own, but as a Montessori directress, this is our duty to handle a block in a proper manner from both sides, both hands. Let's see which one is the biggest. Oh, you are having the smallest? Oh. Students, keep one thing in mind. This is a Montessori directress duty that she has to sit at the right side or the dominating side of a child. So, she can give him a better activity when he is in need to use his right or a dominating hand. Keeping back these activities or putting them back is necessary. For whenever you take them out, the child, tell him to put it back one by one, nicely, yes. And this is how from biggest to smallest is done. The longest to shortest is being done, and whenever he is trying to keep one block the wrong block on wrong position, he get confused. This visual activity let him know and understand the place value of particular thing. Presentation is important and keeping things in a proper place is most and most important. The wrong thing at wrong place can create haphazard situations. Thank you so much.